This word sheer can mean a lot of things, but here it means nothing but. Also pure or complete. It's a little bit difficult to understand how to use this word sheer, but let's practice using it in some sentences to see how it works. Here is a situation. Lisa works inside of a company, and everyone in this company is very competitive. It's hard, very hard to get promoted in this company. You have to be very special. You have to work very hard. Lisa got a big promotion. Now let's make a how Lisa get big promotion question. How did she get a very big promotion? 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 Now let's answer with the preposition by plus a noun. By, here's our noun, hard work. She got a promotion by hard work. She got a promotion by hard work. Now this sentence is perfectly fine, but what if we want to make it clear there was no other reason? She didn't have friends, she didn't have connections, it wasn't luck, the only thing it was hard work. This is when you can use sheer. She got a promotion by sheer hard work. She got a promotion by sheer hard work. That means only hard work, nothing but hard work. No friends, no connections, no luck. The only thing it was hard work. She got a promotion by sheer hard work. And now we understand that was the only reason. Let's try another example using sheer, meaning nothing but, or pure, or complete. Here is a situation. The team at work had to complete a very difficult project. The only way to complete this project was with very good communication and the ability to work extremely well with all of the members of the team. Let's make a how team complete difficult project question. How did the team complete? How did the team complete the difficult project? How did the team complete the difficult project? Now let's answer this how question with by plus a preposition. By teamwork. By teamwork. They completed the difficult project by teamwork. Okay, now if we want to emphasize that teamwork was the only thing that mattered in this situation, there wasn't any other thing. There was nothing outside of teamwork. It was pure teamwork. Nothing but teamwork. We can say sheer teamwork. They completed the difficult project by sheer teamwork. That was the only thing. Teamwork was what made it happen. They completed the difficult project by sheer teamwork. Okay, since this is rarely a word that is taught in English class, but it's used quite a bit, let's practice it one more time. Mary was on a job interview. She didn't have much experience, but she was very enthusiastic. Actually, she was the most enthusiastic candidate being interviewed. The interviewer really liked her because of her enthusiasm. But there were other candidates with much more experience. But the interviewer decided to hire Mary. He chose Mary. Now let's make a how Mary get hired question. How did she get hired? How did she get hired? Now let's answer with by plus a preposition. Let's answer with by plus a noun. She got hired. She got hired by. She got hired by enthusiasm. So if we put the word sheer in front of enthusiasm, she got hired by sheer enthusiasm. We understand her experience didn't help her. That wasn't the reason. The only reason she was hired, there was only one reason, and that was because of her enthusiasm. She got hired by pure enthusiasm. Now let's go back to the paragraph and see how they use the word sheer in the paragraph. A terrific explosion was followed by a roaring fire which swept through the building. It was the sheerest of luck that everybody escaped. So the only reason people escaped, it was such a big explosion, such a big scary fire. There was only one reason that everyone escaped, and that was because of luck.